honey, your mom's gonna be here soon. So are you getting ready?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick shower and then wash my hair.
Oh,
I'll be out
okay.
soon.
All right, perfect. Hey, honey, how you doing in there?
I'm doing fine. I'll be out in a minute.
Okay, good. Hey, sweetheart, you're okay. Just remind you, your mom's gonna be here.
I know. I'm almost done. Just give me a little more time.
Oh, okay, perfect. Man, it's been like 45 minutes. How long does it take? Hey, sweetheart, just checking on you.
Nearly finished. I'll be out in a minute.
Finally, my goodness gracious! Hey, honey, are you? What took so long?
You know what? I don't like this shampoo. It says lather, rinse, repeat, and it took me this long to finish the bottle.
Here we go.